Look, yeah. I think they know I'm about to blow up soon. I'm too high up in this game like E.T. over the moon. I've been over your heads like the luggage sitting over your head. So why you looking right under your bed? I guess you missed what I said. Like actually
आज की हमारी ये वर्कआउट इजी नहीं है, but it's not impossible. If you will try this, you will definitely build your strength and yourself. So try new things and improve yourself. तो आज के वर्कआउट को हमें एक सर्किट फैशन में करना है, यानी कि हर एक एक्सरसाइज को एक एक बार करेंगे तो हमारा कंप्लीट होगा 1 राउंड एंड वी विल गो फॉर 2 मोर राउंड्स. जस्ट यू नीड इज योर बॉडी वेट एंड a 10 to 20 feet space like this. हमारी फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है एलिगेटर वॉक्स. यू हैव टू कम इन दिस पोजीशन and crawl like this. Okay, so we'll go for 20 feet for 2 times.
Something about the way she moves, yeah. Could bring a snowflake in June. Ice. She don't see me act a fool and never playing by the rules, no.
Second exercise है crouching tiger. You have to come in this position, okay? Keep your elbows down like this, and then we have to crouch like a tiger. So we'll go for 20 feet for 2 times.
Look, yeah. I think they know I'm about to blow up soon. I'm too high up in this game like E.T. over the moon. I've been over your heads like the luggage sitting over your head. So why you looking right under your bed? I guess you missed what I said. Like actually.
हमारी third exercise है bear crawls. You have to crawl like a bear. See, like this. Okay. We'll go for 20 feet for 2 times.
Cause you can't even hang with this. But on some real shit, you a queen and I know I never tell you that. So just listen when I tell you I wanna spend the rest of my life. Nah, well maybe not that much time with you. In the middle of the song, I can stop this shit. Just
हमारी फोर्थ एक्सरसाइज है गोरिल्ला वॉक्स. आपको मुट्ठी बना लेनी है, ठीक है? एंड देन कीप हियर लाइक दिस. ओके, आपको अपने पैरों को वाइड कर लेना है एंड देन वॉक लाइक दिस. ओके, लाइक अ गोरिल्ला. विल गो फॉर 20 feet for 2 times.
Yeah, I do this shit casually. From now on, address me as your majesty. Or else, you getting some casualty. They just wanna know that if I'm fucking all these hoes, tell me where the hoes at. You been acting crazy, won't you sip it, tell them cognac. They been looking beat past the blunt, tell them hold that, hold back. Homie, this a throwback. See me at the function, I'm the man, I'ma own that way.
The fifth exercise है monkey walks. आपको फिर से मुट्ठी बना लेनी है, ठीक है? एंड देन आपको साइड में रखना है इसे एंड देन जंप हियर. 1 2 ऐसे करते आपको जाना है 20 feet for 2 times.
Planet that I rock this shit. I'm talking leader of the class like some proctor shit. I'm on a roll and not referring to my lobster dish. Okay, we back now. I'ma take you down. I'ma take you down with me. If the ship sails, if it don't go well, I'ma take you down, down, down with me. We were lost in Pasadena trying to burn an ounce of reefer.
हमारी sixth exercise है baboon walks. Baboon is a kind of monkey, a type of monkey. Okay, so you have to come in this position, okay, and then one. We'll go for 20 feet for 2 times.
Only one like me. Back on the bullshit, I look at the factors. I cannot rap all of these rappers backwards. Most of them acting, so label them some actors. Slow it down just to rap a little faster. Up on the flow, I bought a new chain. Faster I go, only one in my lane. Yeah. I think they need to hear that. Always with my fam, we together like some meerkats. Wanna talk about some stars, homie, know we're that. My
तुम्हारी 7th exercise है grab walks. You have to come in this position, see, okay, and then walk like this. You go for 20 feet for 2 times.
Maybe I should find myself, or even look a little bit. I can't complain with 30 women in the crib though. Yeah, the king without the crown. But when I'm with you, we could tear this place down. Real talk. It's Gallo. Sheesh. Okay. I don't get to talk my shit that much these days, but you hear how fucking groovy this beat is. I just had to let it rock for the whole rest of the time that you're listening to this shit.
हमारी 8th exercise है elephant walks. Okay, you have to come in this position. Imagine yourself as an elephant. और ये हाथ आपका सूंड है, ठीक है? आपको इसे ऐसे झुलाते रहना है and then walk. Okay, we'll go for 20 feet for 2 times. हमारी 9th exercise है frog jumps. You have to imagine yourself as a frog and then jump like this. Okay, we'll go for 20 feet for 2 times. हमारी 10th and the last exercise is inchworms. You have to come in this position, okay, and then go like this. Stretch yourself as much as you can and then come like this. Okay, we'll go for 20 feet for 2 times.
If you acting a bit other, you ain't allowed to stay. They just wanna know that if I'm fucking all these hoes, tell me where the hoes at. You been acting crazy, what you sippin', tell them go yak. They been looking deep past the blunt, tell them hold that, hold back. Homie, this a throwback. See me at the function, I'm the man, I'ma own that. Love, yeah. I think they know I'm about to blow up soon. I'm too high up in this game like E.T. over the moon. I've been over your heads like the luggage sitting over your head. So why you looking right under your bed? I guess you missed what I said.
This was round 1 and you have to go for 1 more round, and as you can see, this workout is great for your entire body to burn fat, build muscle, increase mobility, increase body speed and increase your body strength. A workout packed with benefits, so try this and be wild. एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज इस वीडियो को एक लाइक कर दें और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें ताकि वो भी इस वर्कआउट को ट्राई कर सके एंड गेट इनसेन स्ट्रेंथ फ्रॉम ऑल द कंफर्ट ऑफ देयर होम। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। मैड लव, पीस आउट।